Better video this 42 inch Alaska ceiling fan. Got this from John Reed at Fanimation. It's a pretty nice little fan. It's a antique brass, I believe, with oak or something. I don't know. It's got these weird looking floral shades I found on it, which I kind of like the way they look on it. They look kind of cool on there. Oddly enough, this is kind of a childhood fan. My great aunt had one of these on her sun porch. I never knew what it was until I got this one, and it just kind of was like, huh, that fan looks familiar. And it just reminds me of it. And I remember hers started on low, much like this does. So there's low. Turn the light on a minute. It's got a nice low. Not fast, pretty slow. More like an aesthetic speed, really. And go to medium. Starting to move some air now. Thought it was interesting that that sticker was still in here. I don't know if it'll focus. Made in Taiwan. I'm pretty sure this is a 1980 model, but I'm not exactly sure. We'll go to high. Now it starts moving with good air on high. It's a lot quieter than that spinner I had in here before. It does hum a little bit, but nothing too bad. Yeah, it flies on high. But off. And we'll turn this off. Pretty nice little fan. I'm glad I got it. Don't really plan on getting rid of it. Never really thought I'd collect ceiling fans, but here we are. Guess when you get your own house, things change. This fan actually fits well in here because it kind of matches the furniture, the dresser and the nightstand anyway. Not so much the other furniture over there, but well, I'll show you in a second once this is done. We'll just go ahead and stop it there. But yeah, this fan actually pulls off the dresser and this nightstand over here pretty well. I mean, I know the room's a mess, sorry about that, but anyway, there's the 42 inch Alaska fan. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.